This video I will explain best AI tools. First one is ChatGPT. It is used for writing, explaining and learning. And it helps you to write emails, blogs, reports and even code. And it can also explain topics in simple words. Second one is Grammarly Go. It is used for writing improvement and it fixes grammar, spelling and sentence style. Also suggests better ways to write clearly. Third one is Jasper AI. It is used for content creation for businesses and it makes marketing content, product descriptions, and social media posts quickly. Fourth one is Canva AI. It is used for design and graphics, and using that, you can create posters, logos, and presentations with text prompts. And it is very beginner friendly. Fifth one is DALL-E 3. It is used for image generation. You type description and it creates realistic or artistic images instantly. Sixth one is Synthesia. It is used for AI video creation. It makes videos with AI avatars and voices and great for tutorials or business presentations. Seventh one is Descript. It is used for video and audio editing. Using that, you can edit videos like a document. You can remove background noise and even clone voices. Eighth one is GitHub Copilot. It is used as AI coding assistant. It helps programmers by suggesting code and finding errors in real time. Ninth one is Otter.ai. It is used for meeting notes and transcripts. It records meetings and automatically makes summarizes and transcripts. Tenth one is Conmigo by Khan Academy. It is used as AI tutor for learning. It explains school subjects in simple terms and creates practice questions for students. 11th one is Runway Gen 2. It is an AI video creation tool. It turns text into short video clips automatically. It is useful for content creators, teachers, and marketers. 12th one is Notion AI. It is an AI tool for productivity and organization. It can summarize notes, create task list, draft content, and answer questions inside your workspace. It saves time for students and teams. 13th one is Perplexity AI. It is an AI powered search assistant. It gives clear, detailed answers with reliable sources instead of just links. It is great for research and fact checking. 14th one is Quillpot. It is an AI tool for paraphrasing and rewriting text. It helps to simplify long sentences or make text sound professional. It is often used by students, bloggers, and content writers. Now we will see the final thought. These AI tools are designed to make life easier for students, professionals, creators, and businesses, from writing and designing to coding and learning. There are AI tools for everyone. The key is to choose the right tool for your need and use it to save time while still building your own skills.